Can you see yourself in the 2017 Jeep Wrangler? This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 40,000 miles on the odometer. The Jeep Wrangler, the rugged and iconic, adventure-loving four-wheel drive open-air SUV with the power and capabilities you need for your outdoor lifestyle. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, remote engine start, fog lamps, heated mirrors, electronic stability control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, aluminum wheels, trip computer, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes. Never be anyone but your authentic self. You belong in the Wrangler.